So hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix this error. Sorry, installation failed. We are unable to install Adobe Photoshop CC, this time error code 182 problem.
I am Vikas and you are watching VFX Vikas. Before starting this video, like this video and subscribe to my channel.
So now first what you need to do is click on quit and then go to that folder where is the setup of Adobe Photoshop. Copy this setup to your desktop, right click on it, select copy and then go to desktop, right click on this area, select paste. After pasting the file to desktop, you will need a software to make it zip. As you can see, this is the software WinRAR. Then right click on your folder, select add to archive, then select zip and then click on OK. After completing the process, delete this setup file. Then right click on your zip file, select extract files, select desktop and then click on OK. And then open that folder, right click on the setup, select run as administrator. Then select yes, disconnect your internet, then click on continue. And as you can see, this software is installing on my system. So hope you guys like this video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit the bell icon. If you have any query or question, comment me down below.